right here, right now, at this particular juncture in time, I'm not actually doing archaeology, but I'm engaged in a metaphysical quest to understand the very nature of its being. As the holder of the Hugh Jones Chair of Theoretical Archaeology, I'm an expert in such matters. Structuralism, post-structuralism, dialectic materialism, Richard Feynman's unknowability, Hegelian dialectic, post-processualism, post-modernity, Diogenean stoicism, Cartesian empiricism, feminism, Husserlian phenomenology, Zoroastrian dualism, Maxwell's field equations, Benthamite panopticanism, Paul Dirac's quantum strangeness, Roget's Thesaurianism, existentialism, and of course Heisenbergian uncertainty. These are concepts with which we're all very familiar, and yet do we really understand them? It's not surprising that when faced with complex excavations such as this one at Ulaanbaatar, that even a hardened archaeologist can become overwhelmed with existential crises. This is where archaeological theory steps in to help. Even the most experienced of archaeologists will, betimes, find themselves in an interpretive quandary. It's at those times we need to turn for succour to Michel Foucault's Discipline and Punish. A quick revision on the tome will help us overcome the biggest of archaeological puzzles, like resolving this difficult stratigraphy here in this paleo channel in Western Australia that I'm excavating now. And what archaeologists wouldn't want to lean on the solid foundations of René Descartes in times of epistemological uncertainty? It's impossible for us to conceive of even being able to correctly identify this Bronze Age pot without the theoretical heft of Immanuel Kant to back us up. Coming to terms with an Acheulean hand axe like this one presents few problems for a flint authority like myself, either taxonomically or taphonomically. However, if you want to move beyond the simple materiality of the object and get into the heart and mind of the maker, then you'll need to consider delving into the considerable resources of Martin Heidegger, with possible side servings of Maurice Merleau-Ponty. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that brief dalliance with archaeological theory quite as much as I have. You know, as archaeologists, we all sit in Plato's cave. But I like to think that archaeological theory is the vehicle by which we make those shadows of time dancing upon the wall just that little bit crisper. Thank you for watching.